Prajwal Revana's anticipatory bail plea hearing was rejected, and now that hearing will be coming up on the 31st of May. So a special court in Bengaluru yesterday rejected that anticipatory bail plea of the suspended JDS leader Prajwal Revana, who's facing allegations of sexually abusing several women in a rape case. Now, also according to news, officials have said that he has booked his return flight to Bengaluru from Munich. He's expected to land anytime between tonight and tomorrow. The grandson of JDS Supremo, H.D. Devegowda, is accused of allegedly rape and sexual harassment involving a 47-year-old woman. He reportedly left for Germany on the 27th, a day after the Hassan Lok Sabha seat went to polls, and on the 18th of May is when an arrest warrant was issued against him. Now, let's get you the very latest as far as this case is concerned. But first, let's listen to the Home Minister of Karnataka, who says he will be arrested as soon as he returns back to India.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು SITನವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಅವರ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ.
We have Pratibha joining us. Pratibha, his bail plea was rejected, but it's coming up on the day that he's returning, and that is any time between today and tomorrow, and his bail plea coming up in court tomorrow.
That's right. In fact, the lawyer representing Prajwal Revana did ask for an immediate hearing of the anticipatory bail, which was not granted by the court at that point in time. But they posted the matter for May 31st, right on the day that had been promised by Prajwal Revana as the day when he would be meeting the SIT officials there. So with no anticipatory bail there, the SIT is now prepping the ground for arresting him the moment he lands. Remember, there's already an arrest warrant that has already been issued against Prajwal Revana there. So a lot of questions revolving around Prajwal Revana's arrest, whether at all he would return to India. There is also an online ticket that is surfaced where it does bear the name of Prajwal Revana on Lufthansa Airlines, and it is scheduled to arrive here from Munich on the intervening night between today and tomorrow. So all eyes are on what would really happen at the airport today the moment he lands. The SIT officials are hoping that they would get all the answers, because on one hand they have been working at finding out the statements of the various witnesses there who have been featured in the several of those videos that have been doing the rounds controversially so. And on the other hand, they have been looking for answers with respect to both H.D. Revana's as well as Prajwal Revana's involvement. We already know that H.D. Revana was interrogated and he is now out on bail. Now, there is also a matter that needs to be looked at, which is the challenging of the bail plea that has been put forth by the SIT at the Karnataka High Court. Also, H.D. Revana there trying to quash the cases that have been registered against him. A lot of action that is expected the moment Prajwal Revana lands in India. Back to you.